Good day, everyone. It's your princess again, Princess Ade Natural Earth Remedy. Earth is wet, earth is wet, earth is wet. We are not saying much today. We're only going to talk about how mango seed is very effective for asthma, cough. If you have anyone that has asthma, tell the person to not worry or panic. The solution is right here. Tell the person to get mango seed. Make sure the mango seed, or when you get the mango seed, peel it. As in, you can cut it. What you need is what is inside it. Bring it out, make it dry because it's supposed to dry. Not that for you to be easy to grind because you are going to make it a powder. After grinding it, as in you have make it a powder, as in tell the person to be taking it with hot pap or red oil, that is palm oil, or the person can be taking it with water. I know the person will thank you last. Yes, because it's very effective. Then don't forget that I usually say subscribe to our channel. Without you, no us. We need more subscribers. Please. For any kind of ailment, contact us on our same number +234-816606-4876. Once again, +234-816606-4876. We send our herb, our mixture to all over the world. Also, we send the material to people that can prepare it themselves. Don't forget again to give us a thumb up. We need your comments for more video. Please, once again, thank you. See you next time. Bye.